Becky Hill here, and I'm joined by Rui, and we're going to do a version of Rain and Snow, a traditional Appalachian song. And I'm going to be playing clawhammer banjo and doing some flat-footing, and Rui is going to join me doing some improvisation from Chinese vocal traditions. This collaboration in particular brings me a lot of hope right now in the world because they're two totally separate cultures that merge together seamlessly. I've had trouble all my life. You left me out in the cold rain and snow. Rain and snow, rain and snow. You left me out in the cold rain and snow. Coming down the stairs with that dark and sultry glare, and I shiver like the chilly winds that blow. Winds that blow, winds that blow, and I shiver like the chilly winds that blow. I've done all that I can do to try to get along with you, and I'm not gonna be treated this old way. This old way, this old way, and I'm not gonna be treated this old way. Rain and snow, rain and snow, you left me out in the cold rain and snow.
Is a moment that I need to move.